Hello everyone, and welcome to my workshop. I don't think I've ever actually brought you in here before, but today we're going to attempt a repair on a Tech II Rail Power 1400. This one here is the one that Mr. Snooze fixed for me. It had the same problem that this one has. This is Ryan's. So here's what it should do. When you turn it on and apply power, this light, this green light, should increase in intensity to full power and off again. What tends to happen with these, if you short them out, doesn't matter where you've got the power set to, the light's on bright and the trains don't move. You've got no control. Sometimes they'll move at absolute full speed, and other times they won't move at all. And according to what Mr. Snooze did with that one of mine, he replaced the MOSFET and got it working. So I'm going to attempt to do that with this one today. Let's see how we get on. Okay, I've gained entry into the unit. It's all a foreign language to me, what's in there. But according to Mr. Snooze, the MOSFET, which is located down here under this yellow, red and white wire here, is the culprit. So, it is bolted onto a heatsink, aluminum heatsink, aluminium. And I'm taking note of the position of the wires, yellow, red, white. So when I go to solder them back on again, I don't get red, white, yellow. Yellow, red, white. Okay. Next thing is to desolder that and remove the old MOSFET. There we go. Next thing I'm going to do is wipe off the old heatsink grease where the MOSFET sat. Clean that grease off. those the nut and bolt out of there before I lose them. There we go. Now, in putting objects like this in that require a heat sink, it is very important to put in some heat sink compound. There we go. So, this one's a bit stiff, it's old. But a good smattering of that on there. Pop that back in. Reapply the nut. Nice and snug. Pop the transformer back into its slot, I think. There we go. Teeny bit of flux. In the contacts. There we go, there's the wires resoldered, the new MOSFET fitted. What remains now in there is to clean the soldered joints, because I use flux. If not, the corrosion will occur. So it's just got to be wiped off. And now we test it. Okay, I haven't actually fully reassembled it, so I hope everything's okay. We're going to turn the power on. The light's not on. What happens when we crank up? There's the light starting to show. Increasing in brightness to full power. Okay, I'm going to put it back together and give it a real test, running trains, and perhaps we can call that one a success. Simple little repair. When it shorted out, it blew the MOSFET. Open circuit. So here we are, hooked up to my Series 3 test track, trying test track. You probably haven't seen this before. This is attached to the inside of the door of that cupboard. It folds up into there. Anyway, we'll see what Ryan's controller can do. By the way, I can't get this track to lay down level. It's running uphill, downhill. We're going uphill now. Coming around and down the other side. Well, there we go. I think we can call that a success. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye for now.